After trying this, you become unavailable for the wicked to harm. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. So in this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, that will help you spiritually, increase your spiritual life, teaching you how to do your spiritual work yourself. I also share messages that will help you, teach you the right prayer to pray for fast answer. And you doing it rightly, follow the instructions, you see things working perfectly, just like a magic. If you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, they will withdraw your name from their evil book. Those people planning evil for you, or anywhere they have put your name for evil purpose, they will withdraw it by themselves. After trying this, they will hear it out. They will become so uncomfortable. They will have no option than to release you from their evil list. So this is very effective if you try it with faith. Without faith, it will not just work. And anything you are doing, you have to always commit God in that thing. Seek God first. Tell God that this is what you want to do. Okay? If it goes well, like if your spirit goes well with it, go ahead and try it. I will tell you how to make use of this leaf. Okay, I know many may not have this leaf, but I want to tell you that this leaf is very spiritual, highly spiritual. If you use it for your spiritual purpose, it have a way of removing evil. This is the leaf. It's a scent leaf. So this has been with me for some days, okay, and it's decaying. Okay, you can see that it's decaying. So just get the fresh one or the dry one, whichever one, to work effectively. You can get the dry one from online. Okay, this is scent leaf. Like I said, scent leaf is highly spiritual. It's not only for cooking, it's not just any leaf. If you have been following me, you see that I've made use of scent leaf in the past, and that one is another purpose. There are different ways to make use of scent leaf spiritually, but today's video I will show you how to make use of it to remove evil. Anybody that is planning evil for you, carrying you from one place to the other, they will release you by force. So this goes with prayer points. Before using it, you have to list your prayer points so that you pray rightly, so that you know what to say. And also, before you try anything, make sure your heart is free. You do not bear any grudges against anyone, so that when you are removing evil, when you are destroying evil or sending evil back to sender, it will work. You don't have to bear any grudges or carry evil against anybody and be removing evil. It will not work. So for God to hear your prayers, for God to make this to be effective for you, you have to remove anything that is making your heart heavy, and that is by telling God to forgive your iniquities. Ask God to forgive your iniquities in any way you have sinned against God, that God should pardon you and cleanse out evil which is in your life, the one you must have brought to yourself, knowingly or unknowingly, that God should cleanse it out. So when you are done praying for forgiveness, believe that God have answered you, and God is going to show you mercy and answer your prayers. Then you go into telling God to allow His presence to flow into this. That you cannot do it alone. Ask that the Holy Spirit should flow into this scent leaf to make it an anointed one to start fighting for you. There is nothing too hard for God to do. God can do all things. For some people saying that spiritual work is not working for them, I've also shared why it may not work for some people. So just check yourself, check my channel. You see why it's not working for some people. Get scent leaf, a fresh one or a dry one. I will show you how to make use of the dry one. So this is what you have to do. If you get the fresh one, you have to blend it. It's the water that you need. Add some amount of water, blend it to get that green leaf, to get that green juice. That green juice is what you need for this particular cleansing. Keep the green juice overnight. But before you keep it or store it, you have to pray with it. Tell God that He should have mercy upon you, that you want your name to be released out of any evil place, anywhere that submitted your name for evil purpose, that God should remove your name from there. Tell God to make your enemies to receive problem, to receive so much trouble that will make them to be uncomfortable, and release your name from that evil place. Anywhere they have placed your name, in any evil coven, in any evil altar, that God should make them uncomfortable and remove your name. In fact, they should forget your name. Okay, so when you are finished praying, leave that juice, for 24 hours. The following day, make use of this to cleanse yourself. Do not add with any water. This water is only water you have to use. Pour it on your body, use it, rub it all over your body. It's going to spread all over your body, definitely. So use it, rub all over your body. You can start from your head. You can start from your face. Be applying it all over your body. Be praying as you are doing so. Praying as you are doing so. Do not say that this has stayed overnight, that you won't use it. You have to make use of this because this is a spiritual cleanse. Okay, that you need. You need it so well. Apply on your body and be saying your prayers. By the grace of God, God will remove anything troubling you. God will destroy anybody that wants to destroy you. Whosoever that is fighting you spiritually, God will fight them and you shall hold your peace. So you don't have to fight physical fights. Leave everything to God. Just use this scent leaf and you see God doing the rest for you. They will never have any peace. They will know peace until they leave you. So for those that have the dry one, if you have the dried one, all you have to do is to transfer it into your cooking pot. Place some amount of water into it and allow it to boil. Boil it until you see that the water has changed. Okay, brownish green. Okay, that is how the water will be. The water will be like a brownish green, and that is how the dried one will be when you boil it. So after boiling it, allow this water to cool. Okay, leave it. You don't have to use it when it's hot. Allow it to cool. Use it to have your bath. Do not use soap for any of the cleansing. Do not use soap. Do not use sponge. Use it. Pour it on your body. Rub it all over with prayers. Be saying your prayers, and God will answer you. God will fight for you, and everything will be calm in your life. So go on and try this spiritual cleansing to fight your enemies, to destroy evil. This particular cleansing will remove evil, any kind of evil at all. It will keep your enemies. You become spiritually unavailable for them to harm. They will never see you. It cleanses out negativity in your life. So go on and try it. It cleanses out any evil troubling you. So go on and try it and you see God fighting for you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.